In the Kitchen is brought to you by Food Services of America.
I just want to have a moment where everyone gets to look at what we are being served here in the Creme Kitchen. It is a fun afternoon to be here because we have unbelievable plates of food with our friend Miles Boggio, of course, with FSA. He's our chef this afternoon, and he brought along a good friend, Chef Yara from Wingman Birds and Brews in Walla Walla. She is our new best friend. Jen is so jealous she's not with me right now. Welcome, everyone. We are talking wings today, and as you might imagine, Yara brought along a few things with her.
Just a few.
Just a few. We love a woman who comes prepared. Well, welcome.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you for having me.
And thanks, Miles. I haven't seen you in a couple of weeks.
It's been
Good
a
to
couple
see
weeks.
you.
Yeah.
All right. First, let's talk about, obviously in the name, we know what you serve at the restaurant, but you don't just stop at your average everyday wing.
That's correct.
What do you got?
So on the far right here, we have a smoky sweet rub that we use on our wing. We have over 6 rubs that we have in-house that we make from scratch in-house. This is a caramel wasabi.
Ooh, I bet that's got some kick.
Oh yeah, we have over 20 signature sauces that we make in-house.
Nice.
So it's an extensive menu.
People just love their wings. It's like, I can remember eating wings as a kid and thinking, and my mom was like, oh yeah, it's the new big thing. That, when I was a kid, was a few years back, Miles. It seriously has sustained the test of time.
Well, going into March Madness, everybody gets excited about basketball, but it's really hot wing season.
That's
It's hot
right.
wing season.
Oh yeah.
It's March goodness. All right.
Yes.
So
Nice.
here's an idea, everyone. Obviously, we want you to visit Wingman.
That's right.
If you can't, though, use this as your inspiration for your March Madness events because we certainly, if you could smell it, it provides a lot of good inspiration. Okay, tell me what's this. So is this one of your dipping sauces?
So what I thought we would do
Okay.
is that I'm going to put some wings in everyone's bowl.
Okay.
Okay, and then you're wearing an apron, so
I
you're
am
safe.
official. I'm safe,
Miles, if you
clean.
want. Okay.
Like they don't trust me with the tongs. I like that.
No, you get tongs.
It's probably a good idea.
You get to toss some wings. That's
Are
why
we
we gave you an
gonna-
apron today.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So that's really the best way is to go ahead and get the wings nice and crispy if someone's making them at home, and then top them with the sauce. You don't bake them with the sauce on it. Generally.
Most homes do it, especially being at home and being on a time crunch, especially if you have kids.
Okay.
Stuff like that. But at the restaurant, what we like is to fry these super crispy,
Yes.
make them wonderful, and then we want to dump the sauce just right on top of it. Don't be shy.
No, I
And
never.
and here's the tricky
Okay.
part: is stir it a little bit,
Oh, do I get to flip it?
and then you just
Oh boy.
toss with the wrist. Oh,
You make it?
Oh, yeah.
that's
how it's done.
That's how we do it too.
Are you just dying to hire me now?
Yes, please
Yeah.
turn in your resume.
I think you've missed your calling.
That is so good.
So what you tossed
this?
was the our number 2 sauce.
Okay.
Yes.
And do most people
Let me
like a
give that back
really,
to you
really
there.
mild? Oh, did I throw one at? Oh, look at this! I didn't even see this part. That was.
That's okay. I think we have an extra plate over there that we can do something else with. There we go.
Here's what I'm telling people. Okay, we want to give the address of the restaurant and encourage everyone. If you could smell this,
They're
you
delicious.
would. Yeah, and after you see me toss, you don't want to come to Creme and try them. You want to go and try it at Wingman. Of course, it is 230 East Main, Walla Walla. Hey, here's what I'm saying. Get inspired for your March Madness. In the meantime, get inspired for some delicious wine tasting in Walla Walla.
Oh, good.
And if you're not there watching us from Walla Walla, head down there and visit Wingman. Yara, thank you. Thanks
my
for letting me
pleasure. Thank you.
participate.
Yeah,
Miles
I
never
love it.
will. He's like, yeah, put
No.
in lockdown. All right, visit Wingman. We'll be right back. You're watching Creme TV News at noon.
Perfect.
Oh my God.